Hi everyone, in today's video, I will be showing you how I do my gel nails at home. I have been doing my own nails for years and a lot of people have asked me if I have it done in a nail salon, but that can be too pricey, so I decided to do it myself. Here's what you'll need: a nail buffer, a round soft tapered brush and a thin brush, a gel base coat and a top coat, a clear hard gel polish, a gel primer, 3 colors of gel polish, nail jewels, tweezers, nail film, scissors, and of course an LED lamp. I have finished pushing back and cutting my cuticles, and I have also filed my nails to the shape that I want. And now to prep the nails, I will be using a nail buffer and just slightly buff the nail bed until you remove the shine. Be sure not to go too hard or you will damage your nails. Next, brush your nails and wipe it with pure acetone to clean off any oils and to dehydrate the nails for the gel to last longer. Now that my nails are nice and clean, I'm now going to apply a gel primer. I apply this around my nails to make the gel polish to stick and to prevent any lifting of the edges. Next, I'm going to apply a base coat. Make sure to apply a thin coat and prevent it from getting onto your skin because that will cause your gel polish to lift. So apply a thin coat and cure it on the lamp for 30 seconds. For the gel color, I mixed 1 teaspoon of the clear hard gel, 5 drops of the beige polish, and 1 drop of the red polish. I mixed it all together and came up with a sheer rose color that looks natural on the nails. Then using the soft tapered brush, I apply this on the nails and cure it for 60 seconds. Now for the nail design, I'm going to take this holographic foam and cut it into small pieces. Then I will stick the small pieces onto my nails. After curing, the gel usually leaves a stick of film, so that helps for the film to stick onto the nails. Now this is what it looks like, and then to seal the design, I will use the hard gel top coat and apply it on top. And then I cure it for 60 seconds. I applied 4 more layers of the top coat to give my nails more strength, and make sure to cure your nails on the lamp after every layer. For the next design, I'm going to do a marble nail. First, I'm going to apply a clear gel polish, and without curing it, I will take my thin brush, dip it in the white polish, and draw over the red nail. The clear gel will make the white spread a little and give that marble effect. Then I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. And this is what it looks like. After curing, I will now apply a layer of the hard gel polish and place the gold gel at the center, then cure it for another 60 seconds. After curing, I apply another layer of the hard gel to keep the gel in place. Again, I like applying another 3 to 4 coats of the hard gel to make my nails stronger. I also did this marble design on my ring and pinky finger. To finish it off, I'm going to apply a non-white top coat and cure it for 60 seconds. This top coat does not leave a stick of film, so you don't have to wipe your nails with acetone afterwards. And now we're done! I've listed all the products I use on the description box, and let me know what you guys think of this video. If you want to see more nail tutorials, leave me a comment or send me a DM on my Instagram. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you so much guys for watching.